Yan, naglalaro sila ng tubig. Na nasa gripo. Ang sarap ng hangin dito. Masarap ang simoy ng hangin.
Eat this.
Nagpa-popcorn kami. Happy sila, mga babies namin. Ang dami. Ayan sila. Tulog na. Malapit na siya matulog. Totoo na sila.
Movie good for children too.
Thank you, Tita Jenny. Thank you po, Tita Jenny. Ginawang kami ng pizza.
They are so curious how it works.
Happy.
Popcorn.
I already know how it works. By five pushing the top and it goes up like
No,
that.
you can't.
Why?
You'll burn your hand. It's warm there.
No, why don't we just do it?
Later, you can do that. Ah, it's popping!
I think soon it will explode outside.
Look.
Soon I think it will explode
Mom?
and the popcorn.
Can we just put the whole thing?
Ang dami oh.
That's what I thought will happen. I knew that was gonna happen, Mom.
Oh, that's so big.
You didn't know that? I already know how it works.
We can make a lot of popcorn. It's only 1 pound, this one.
So we
Only
can
2
make-
scoop he made. I think